beauties, it's Carol. Today I'm going to tell you who the 5 winners are for the iMethod Beauty Brow Kit, and I'm going to show you some of the things I got for Black Friday. But it was really tempting this year. I don't know why, but everything kept popping up on my computer, emails and texts, and all these places were giving me these amazing discounts. I caved into a few. Plus, I was also out on Black Friday with my daughter, and we went to lunch, and we went to an Etsy market. They had in the mall, in the Delium mall, they had a whole bunch of booths set up in the main plaza, and they had all handmade goods from Etsy. A lot of Etsy sellers were there. It was so nice to see. We bought a couple little things, and I am going to be having a video up soon of all my Etsy merchandise that I've made in case you're interested for the holidays. My prices are very good, and I never really push my stuff. I just leave it on Etsy, and if people buy it, they buy it. But I am going to show you. So let me show you what I got at Old Navy. I got these scoop neck thermal tops. I bought extra large, and I wore the black the other day. These are so nice. Oh my goodness, they were $7. I got 2 of those, and I got a plain black one, and then I got this one, magical. I think that is so cute, and it comes below the booty, and it has enough room in your midriff. And those are the 2 things I like. Plus, I like a little scoop neck, so I don't feel like I'm choking. These are very nice. Actually, they were $19.99 on sale for $7. And then I got some more online, so I don't know. I'll put the link. I hope you can still get them because they are great with jeans, skirts, pants, shorts, sweats, anything. Just throw the top on. It's perfect. It's not low cut like this thing. It's not too low cut. It's just right. It's absolutely perfect. Let me show you this. This thing is so cute. It is a portable travel hair brush. And you push this. Oh, darn. Oh, there it is. There's the lights. Okay. Now we'll just let it heat up. Do you see the lights? It's very hefty. It has a little hole here for the charger, and you charge it by USB. You know, you could just keep this in your glove compartment and charge it in the car. And if your hair is anything like mine, which doesn't keep the straightness, you could just do it on the go. I don't think it's ready yet, but oh, it's starting to warm up. Okay, now, all right. Well, I don't know if that's right. It's a ceramic, electronic straightening brush. See? Ooh, there it goes. It's so cool. I mean, if you're out for the day and then you still have to continue being out and you don't have time to go home and fix your hair, you just do this in the car. If you have a big enough purse, you can carry it in your purse. Ooh, yeah. Now, I cut about 10 strands of bangs just to give me the look of a little bangs on my forehead. So let me see if I could straighten them. Don't be impatient. There you go. Straightened it. Let me just straighten this. I hate those little wave on my temples. You just have to make sure the hair is all the way in. Look at that. I bet you could curl it too. Oh, there it is. This is fabulous. It comes in a few colors. This is the purple, even though it looks pink. That was the only thing. It didn't look like the color that I picked, but it's beautiful. The pink is beautiful. It was $39 on Amazon. So this is how you shut it. You hold it, and the lights go out. You put the safety cap on, put it back in its pouch. I have the charger downstairs. It's just a little skinny little cord. So really, really good. I love it, love it, love it. Sometimes my hair just needs a little touch up. Okay, oh, I got some cute brushes. Look at this. Ooh, BDHD. These are by Delium. It's called BDELLIUM, BDELLIUM. It's not BDELLIUM, it's Delium. Look at these. These are double brushes. And this is the middle size one. It's very, very soft. Very soft, but it has some oomph to it, you know? It's not like just goes down like that. And I haven't used it yet, but you know what they say? It's like painting. It looks like it. I think these are adorable. First of all, the ferrule is so cute. It's thick and chunky. I think it's plastic. But you see the sides? This looks amazing. It's really nice and soft. I could see it working. I didn't try it yet, but I can't wait to use it. And look at the handle. The handles are a swirl baby pink. And the ferrule is a square, chunky silver ferrule. And the brushes are two-headed and nice and soft. Love. Love, love. Okay. I did get another set of brushes. I got that on sale. I mean, I think I paid $15 because it was like 40% off. And then I bought these. I've been wanting these for a long time, but I wasn't going to spend $140. And they had a half off sale. And I got the whole enchilada. I got the whole set. The Golden Triangle Complete Brush Set, Phase 1 in blue. Delium Tools. Beautiful rose gold zipper. Beautiful navy pack. And then you open it and you could stand it up. You take all the plastic off and you can stand it up. So here they are. And then let me show you what is so special about them. They are so ergonomically made. They're comfortable. So look at this. Is this so chunky? I just want to eat it. Oh, look at that. It says Golden Triangle Large Powder Brush. And you see how it's triangular, the shape? It's so easy to hold. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. Oh, it's so cute. That is the large powder. This is the powder blending. Is the slanted blush, the contour, and precision kabuki. Oh, so this is for foundation. Look at that. I mean, that is a beauty. That is a beauty. Wow. I am impressed. And then you've got the small brushes for the eyes. See, the hair, you want a bang, but you don't want the maintenance of a bangs. You take about 10 strands, you pull it straight up, you cut it, and then it falls nicely, and you could brush them away. They disappear when you brush them away, or you could leave a few out, and you get like a look of a bang. I like that. Okay, look at these. Oh my goodness. Small angled shader. Small tapered ending. Tapered blending. Eyeliner. Shadow. Precision concealer. Bold lip shading blender. Round dome blender. And liner brow. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, that's a good one. Firm and skinny. Look at that. That is the kind of liner or brow brush I like. Wow, that's perfect. Skinny. Look how skinny, skinny. So, they all have the triangular handles. And they have a rose gold ferrule. They're beautiful and they're easy to work with. Oh, I can't wait. So cute. So cute, so beautiful. I love them. Of course, they were 40% off or 50% off, and they're originally 100 something. That smells good. FILA red. And I got this in Marshall's. I think I showed you this already. $5.99 in Marshall's. It's a refreshing body spray. Ooh, it is. I'm afraid to spray it on myself first, so I always spray it in the cap. Oh, that is very nice. Very, very nice. Or I spray it just on a towel. Woo, it is refreshing. That's what I basically got for Black Friday sales. And the Black Friday sales were before Black Friday even happened, so that's how I got some of these. Oh yes, and I have one more thing. I got this bag on Shein. Look at this gorgeous bag. And yes, it's made from felt. Do you see that? Can you see that it's made from felt? But it is kind of firm. It's not the firmest bag, but isn't that cute? I thought it was so cute. They have all kinds of colors. And I just got the basic gray. Sometimes I need a big bag to carry all my stuff out to the car. And this goes with a lot of things. Has a snap over here. 2 handles. A nice wide opening. See how wide? That is beautiful. It's like the size of my neck to my waist. And then you just snap it. Snaps close, and you're on your way. I love this bag. It's so, so cute. This is from Shein. I'll put the link down below so you can find it easy, and I'll put the price. I put all the prices down under my video, so you don't even have to bother clicking it if you don't like the price. And now I'm going to tell you who won my giveaway. 5 lucky winners. And here we go. 27 comments. And start. Shirley Eads, first winner. Pick another. The Baking Diva, the second winner. Now the third winner. Barbara Cosentino. Now the fourth winner. Kathy Anderson. And the fifth winner is Juju 1981. Congratulations to my 5 winners. I want you to email me at the ohcarolshow@yahoo.com. Tell me what shade you want and put your name and address, and I will forward everything over to the representative in the company. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I appreciate you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you.